Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will make a landscape, simple landscape, but I hope it will be interesting for all. So first of all, I am sketching. Just for getting the idea about the basic outline of this drawing. Cottage, and these are the trees. Here is the passage to this cottage, like this. So this is the border you have seen in many landscape paintings, drawings, the wooden border. Ups and downs are the beauty of this border. You've almost completed our border. So now I am applying the water on the upper area. So that is the sky. I will try not to apply water in the cottage and the lower part because the sky color will not flow in this area. It will remain in upper area where I applied the water. You can see it will blend after few minutes. You can also use flat brush that will give you more smooth surface. I'm using the round brush because it was available, so I pick it up. Applying more water, it will get blend. So now I am applying water in the lower area, that is the grassy land. Upper area is about to dry, and in the lower area I am applying green color with the combination of yellow, and where I need darkness I will mix green color with the black one, green with the blue, green with the brown. These three combination will give you a deep green color. Applying water to the cottage for the smooth blending of basic color. The brown color, where I need darkness I will add brown with a combination of black. Basic layer completed. Here the door, black color. Here also the border corner of the room, cottage, applying black color. Where the depth needed I am applying black color with the combination of brown color. Cottage is about to dry, that's why I am applying black color for detailing. Our lower and upper part also near to dry, almost dried. Now I will apply more detailing in these areas after this cottage. Black color for depth, you can see. One more concept that you should keep in your mind, that the dark color, likewise I'm applying the black color here. You can see, as we did in our previous courses, the dark tone for the shadow side, where the less light approaches, that will be the dark. So same here, we will use dark color for the shadow. For the dark shades we will use dark color, like I am using the black color. Our cottage is about to complete. Next, the grassy part, more detailing, more depth, fields area, you can say, the bushes, trees. I will add two trees in this drawing. Same procedure, same phenomena, same concept I will apply in this drawing. Where I need dark color, or you can say shadow, I will add brown color with the combination of green to get the dark tones. These lines will specify the passage to this cottage. So more dark tone, dark shade, it will give the grassy texture, or you can say the grassy effect. The brown color for depth. Now this tree with the brown color, plus I will add black color for dark side. Passage, more depth with the green, sorry, with the brown and black. Second tree, as you know that our upper side is dried, that's why I'm getting the sharp texture of the trees. The border line, borders, one side completely dark, you can say the shadow side. And for specifying the borders, or you can see the outline of this border, I'm applying the other dark line. This is the shadow of this border. border shadow side, or you can say the dark side. Sharp line for specifying the corner edge of this border. Our drawing is almost near to complete, and if you have any question you can ask me, and furthermore I will advise practice well. Ask me anything that where you feel difficulty, you can contact me, you can text me for the clarification of your concepts. We are near to complete this. One more thing is remaining, only the finishing that I am doing with the gel pen. I will add few highlight points that will make our object more highlighted, more clear. You can see it is also adding texture in our painting, you can say. Okay, here we can say that our painting is completed. So I hope you learn basic techniques, application of basic techniques with the watercolor. If you have any query, you can contact me. Thanks for watching.